Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use a airline credit on Expedia. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all we will just open their site. So to redeem your point or credit in your flight on your Expedia, you need to first let know the review basis of the Expedia credit airline credits, okay, across the carrier. It is non-transferable, credits will be non-transferable, okay. And here you have to read the credit and uh, coupons following, and not at all the credit will be created equally as if the travel businesses is complicated enough to, unfortunately, all the credits are set up in the same way, okay. So you need to follow this way. So to redeem your or to use your credit in your airline of Expedia, you have to follow this step. So you need to open your expedia.com at here, okay. So you can open via searching expedia.com at here, okay. So when you will just open your Expedia from here directly, so from here you can directly see your flights, and here you can see. So you need to just log in with your email ID at here, okay. Right side will just click and sign in. Then here you have to sign in for free. So when you will just sign in with your email ID or Google ID, so you will be showing their points. So you can just see like this. I want to stay in Singapore, so I will just open here, and when I will book the hotel, so I will show the option to redeem the point. So I can just redeem from there. So this is how we can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.